In this question, we have to calculate Thevenin equivalent. Again, we are standing at A position and we have to move to B, correct? So we can move from A to C, C to G we can't move because there is a current source and we can't move through the path where current source is present. Current source is our enemy, right? So we can move from A to C, then C to D, then D to E, then E to F, F to G, and G to B. So G to B nothing is there. I'm not writing it. F to G nothing is there, so I'm not writing it. So VAC, VCD plus VDE is also like blank. No resistance is there. No element is there. But E to F there is one element, so I'm writing VEF. Okay. So according to Ohm's law, VAC is also nothing, zero, because there is no element present over here. Because if there is no element, then there will be no voltage drop across it, correct? So VAC is 0, VCD. Again, we are moving from positive to negative. We have to take the second sign. So that would be minus of VCD. Again, E to F. What is the second sign present? Minus. So that would be minus V or E of F. Correct? Any doubt up to here? Why I have taken negative sign? I have taken second sign. C to D, second sign is like this because we are moving like this. Okay. E to F, this one. Clear? Now let us mark this current. Let us suppose I1 is moving because we are moving from this direction, so current should also move to this direction only. So VCD is how much? That is minus ICD multiplied by RCD. VEF minus VEF. VEF is already present, means voltage is already present. We don't convert it in terms of I and I multiplied by R. We need voltage and they have also given voltage. We can directly write down the value of 8 volt. Correct? Minus 8. So that would be minus ICD. RCD is how much? That is 3 ohm. Correct? Minus 8. Now tell me if there is any doubt up to here. Now we need to calculate ICD, or we can say I1. Now can you tell me how many meshes are there? One mesh, and I1 and 2 ampere are moving in the same direction or in the opposite direction? Same direction. So I1 we can write down 2 ampere, right? And I1 we can also write down as ICD because C to D branch may I1 is the current flowing. So I1 is how much? 2 ampere. ICD is how much? 2 ampere. So we can write down minus 2 multiplied by 3 minus 8. That is minus 6 minus 8 is equal to minus 14 volt. And voltage can't be negative. So you can directly write down that VTH is equal to 14 volt. Okay. Next, we need to calculate the resistance. As you can see that there is only one resistance. For calculation of resistance, voltage source must be short circuited and current source must be open circuited. Correct? So voltage source short circuit, then resistance, current source is open circuited. Again, A to B, there is only one resistance, so we can directly write down the value. RTH is how much? 3 ohm. Simple. Correct? VTH, and students maybe get confused in VTH only. So just you have to see that you are standing at A, move to B. Okay, you have to follow that path and you have to take always the second sign which is coming in your path. As in this question, minus VCD because second sign is minus, minus VEF because second sign is minus, then minus 8, and then we just put down the values.